Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I have been collecting Happy Mail that I have not really opened and gone through or put away. So I kind of just want to get these things off of my desk and put away, even though my washi storage is out of control. I don't really have anywhere else to put more new rolls of washi. So, but I want to share this all and get it put away. So I have these packages from Simply Gilded. I don't know what order they came in. Most of this is the Zodiac washi. I think this must be a newer one. So let's pop into these. I think I did open one of these already. I think this might have been the one. Maybe. I don't know. Let's just get into it. So these are the washis and the journaling cards. I've run out of space in the book that I'm using for journaling cards. So I don't know what I'm going to do for that. So this is what I was using. I guess I could just make another one. As you can see, I have a total overflow here, and I would love to keep all the Zodiac things together. So maybe I'll do one separately for that. This isn't Simply Gilded, but I put it in here anyway. This is from A Little Spark. So yeah, I have some organizing to do as far as this goes until one day I figure out what to do with all of these. But right now it's just a collection of them. This book is full and there's no room to put more books in here. So here's the Taurus. I think the only one that I'm missing is Gemini, and I don't know how I missed it, but I missed it. It must have been a mental block. So anyway, I need to get all of this organized and put together. So maybe we'll make a separate notebook just for the Zodiac cards. We'll see. Anywho, so yeah, I got all of these cards now to add to that. So that's what this one looks like. It's got like a iridescent holographic subtle background. Then we've got this one. And this is the one for Leo with the stickers. Gold foil. And this is the washi for Leo. I don't know. Yeah, the symbol goes that way. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that without too much glare. And then I got these. I think they were on sale or clearance or something. But they are seashells. So I thought this was good for like a mermaid theme spread or something sea related. So I got those. So that was everything in there. This is the freebie seal and the freebie stickers. So I'm going to set those aside because they all have to go together. Then let's do this one. Yikes on bikes. Let's get this out of here. These have just been floating around on my desk for a while. So that's the seal. That's really pretty. It's kind of like galaxy look to it. Then this is the card. It's a little bent up. This is a postcard style. And this is the sampler. Love the plaid. That's really cool. Okay. Then these are the washis. What was this one? Oh, this is a Halloween washi. Let me open it. And I'm not sure which of these is free, but I think I got some free stuff here too. So this says something that I cannot read, but it has, I think this is Halloween. Yeah, it's got little skulls on it. This peel some of this off. I can't see what it says, but it says happy something. And that's not actually a bat. That's some type of animal with bat wings. So I don't know. Then these I got because I thought they would be good in my reading journal. Plus to go with some stickers that I have. So these are hanging plants. Trying to find the end. There we go. Not sure if that's going to show up, but it's very fine and it looks like it has a coppery foil, but the foil is very minimal. Hopefully you can see that. But I thought this was nice and pretty and delicate. So I picked that one, and then this one is books. Again, thought this would go good in my reading journal. That's what that looks like. Same color foil as the hanging plants. It's got a little camera as well. So kind of neutral, simple, plain. And then this one is just a simple plaid, but it does feel like it's got that glittered surface. I just got it because it was a nice, like a rose gold, rosy looking plaid, but it does feel glittered or something. Something's different about it. I don't know what it is. I can't put my hand on it. I don't remember, but there's something different about it. It doesn't feel like typical washi tape. So those are the ones that were in that package. Then, and I opened all of those up. Here's some more of the, I think this is more Zodiac washi. Again, with the seal. Is this the same seal? Oh, the colors are reversed. So that's what that looks like. This is a sampler freebie. That one is different. So it's got the crystal, the potion bottle, mushrooms, and the journal with the little moon on it. Then we got these. This is, I don't know what. And then this is Libra. So that's what that's looking like. Then this is the Libra washi. I'm not going to take it out. I really need to swatch all of these. And this one is another one of these. I think that says Happy Mail. It looks like an envelope. I can see it a little better on this one. So yeah, since this is an extra of the same thing, I'm going to put this in my stash to give away. I got some things that I'm going to be giving away, so I'm going to put that in there. Then here we go with another Zodiac, I think. And so far, I'm seeing my favorite card so far. This one is Fall in Love. I always look at the back. Can't help myself. Then you got this bat, Happy Halloween. I love this one. This one is cool. Love it. Then we've got Virgo. And these are the stickers. Okay, and this is the sampler. I love this color. This is the bow, another galaxy look, but this sampler color is really pretty. This is Virgo. And it seems like all of the Zodiac washis have very similar colorings. So it's going to be hard for me to tell those apart. But if you look at the colors, it's like a variety of the same color schemes. Anywho. Okay, so that was everything from Simply Gilded. So now I can put it away and get organized. Then I have things here from A Little Spark. Now I ordered this. It's a notepad that came out with her Halloween collection. I don't remember what the name of the collection was, but I thought this was really cool. It has all of the dolls from the collection on here. And I can easily tear these out and glue them into my Bsixtology and use them as part of my daily pages. So I thought this was cool for the season. Then this is the Halloween collection, some of it. I didn't order everything. And they also have printables of a lot of the collection. So if you're interested in that, it's a great option. So these are some of the dolls. She's the Freddy Krueger doll. Then I don't know who she is. I think she's Chucky. And I don't know who she is. I know who she is, but I don't know her name. I can't think of it. I'm having a brain freeze. But yeah. And I think these were part of a set or something. Not sure. And this is the kit. You got the full box, the headers, checklists, icons, weekend sticker, Monday through Sunday, half box checklists, a variety of different boxes. You all know the drill, right? And then here are the dolls. What is her name? I can't think of it. If you didn't catch the introduction of each of these dolls on the A Little Spark Instagram, it is totally worth it to go check these out. The intros for these dolls were fantastic. So go check it out. I'll even link to the A Little Spark Instagram in the description box below. It's really cool. So, but those are the dolls. I wish they were a little bit bigger. And I wish some of them didn't have that blue or colored background around them. But I get why it was done, but still. Okay, so that is that order from A Little Spark. Then this is my regular subscription stuff. So I'm taking everything out of the bags because I need to put this away. This is a fall kit, as you can see. I think the colors are beautiful, very vibrant. That's one of the things that I love about A Little Spark is their color. It's not soft and pastel-y, usually. Even when it's soft and pastel-y, it's very rich. I like the rich coloring. So these are the full boxes. Monday through Sunday, half checklist boxes and another variety of boxes. This is some deco for fall. These are the date covers and the date dots, more half boxes. And then the icons, weekend, full box, and checklists, etc. Very nice. So that's another kit from A Little Spark. I think I need to make my own book to store A Little Spark in as well. It's time to reorganize stickers. This is like an ongoing thing. It's a continuous thing. So this is the latest one that I received. I think this is Pink Halloween. I don't know the name of it, but that's what I'm calling it. So this is the deco. Got the tape, cassette, record with the skeleton hand. The eyeball. Okay. Then icons, weekend, spooky vibes, full box sticker, checklist, headers. Monday through Sunday. See, this is pastel, but it's still not washed out where you can barely even see the color. The color is still bright and vibrant. Well, I wouldn't say bright, but it's vibrant, rich. There you go. So, and you got the half boxes down here. These are the full boxes. These are so cute. So it's got like a retro feel, but it's still Halloween, but it's not the typical spooky colors. It's pinks and teals and pastel colors. So that's what it looks like. Look at all the detail. Let me hold it up so you can see better. Love the detail. Then these are the date covers, the date dots, and some more half boxes. And that again is a little spark. So these things can finally be put away. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put them away because, like I said, I'm running out of space for some of this. But that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.